I've been in the food service industry and teaching culinary education for over 20 years. The online programs at Escoffier allow students to develop the same skills as ground campus students, but you complete the program in your own kitchen. I've seen how well the online program prepares students, gives them one-on-one attention, and helps set them up for the same career success. A typical week starts with an assigned reading and video content. From there, once a week, you attend an online discussion session with your classmates and chef instructors. Next up, you'll have your weekly assignment. All the work is documented through photos and a written summary. You'll have a production sheet to work through step by step, recording and reflecting on key parts of the process, along with the photos you take. Every assignment uses a flavor wheel to work through and assess taste, which is a standard culinary school practice. Once your assignment is completed, a chef will go through your production sheet and photos with feedback. For me, this is one of my favorite parts of the process because I'm able to give each student a lot of attention and talk through what went well and how to improve each week. The final component of the program is completing an externship in a professional working kitchen. Our Career Services Department assists you in this process. The externship will take everything you have learned from the classroom and give you the hands-on experience to finish the program. The externship can also help you to transition into working in the industry.